Come with me to one of my favorite places in the airport. Of course, you see me going through the elevator to get to the Amex Centurion Lounge. I'm in LAX, and one of the things I love is the quiet room. Not only is the room quiet, but you can actually lay flat in this room and allow yourself to just like literally stretch out, relax, and even do a few leg stretches. When you are preparing for a long flight, it's one thing you got to bring as well. That's compression socks. Yep, I had my compression socks. I made sure I got in some stretches while I was in the quiet room and really enjoyed myself relaxing. There was a snoring guy, but otherwise it was good.